And welcome back to Saturday Sports Special. Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association President Garth Gale will serve another 4 years at the helm after being re-elected unopposed in Saturday's annual general meeting. He has called for unity while making a major sponsorship announcement. Although being courted by an attractive suitor, the relationship between track and field's local governing body, the JAA's, and sports giant Puma remains unbreakable. JAA's President Garth Gale had high praises for their longtime sponsors who've been with the association from 2002 and hailed the work they've put in to support Jamaica's track and field.
As we speak, we are continuing with Puma because when we would have reviewed the offers, Puma is better for Jamaica. All the stakeholders are benefiting, and so the decision to remain with Puma. Contract is now is continuing, and so we believe that this is in the best interest for Jamaica at this time.
Gale, who was speaking at Saturday's AGM held at the Jamaica College Auditorium, echoed a cry for unity as he looks forward to another 4 years in charge. The association has had oftentimes rocky relationships with athletes and various stakeholders. Gale says going forward, he wants to mend those fences for the benefit of the nation's athletics.
Today, our AGM was more centered around unity, communicating more, bringing the other members on to work with us, to collaborate with us. We also want to work harmoniously with all the other institutions that have involvement with sports, because together we are strong. Singly, we are not strong.
Gale gave his administration high marks for the work they've done over the years and says the turnout and support at the AGM was a testimony to that.
I would say 95. We were overwhelmingly confirmed today of 109 individual members and 12 clubs that were registered. But in the all, we would have gotten confirmation from 95 of the members that were here, and only 4 abstained. Only 4 abstention. So that is saying again an overwhelming support to us as a team going forward, but a team that will be working with all the stakeholders to listen and see how best we can move track and field forward.
Gale was first elected into office back in 2020 when he turned to back the challenge of 1976 200-meter Olympic gold medalist Donald Quarry with a landslide 236-28 margin.